Discover the power of custom-made cutting tools. Are you tired of searching for the perfect tool to fit your unique manufacturing needs? Look no further. At General Cutting Tools, we are dedicated to creating specialized tools that cater to your specific requirements. We take pride in working closely with our customers to bring their ideas to life, transforming rough sketches into high-quality, custom-made tools. Take, for example, our recent collaboration with a new client who needed an indexable drilling system for their machine. This machine is designed to produce specialized wood products, which required a custom solution that wasn't readily available on the market. The client provided us with hand-drawn sketches and photographs of a custom high-speed tool they had previously made as a test piece. Our experienced engineering team took these sketches and carefully analyzed the details shared during our conversations with the customer. Utilizing this information, we developed 3 models of the desired tool, ensuring that it met the customer's exact specifications. Once the customer approved the 3D model, we went on to create a one-of-a-kind boring bit or drill tailored to their unique manufacturing process. The end result? A custom indexable drilling system that exceeded the client's expectations, enhancing their production capabilities and boosting their overall efficiency. At General Cutting Tools, we understand that every manufacturing project is different and demands tools designed to meet those specific needs. That's why we're committed to providing our clients with custom solutions that help them achieve their goals. If you're in need of a specialized tool that doesn't exist yet, don't hesitate to reach out to General Cutting Tools. Our dedicated team is ready to work with you to develop the perfect solution for your business. Contact us today and discover how we can turn your ideas into reality.